A testimonial video from a happy customer helps build credibility for your product or service. If you tell someone how great your company is, it sounds like bragging. If someone else says it about your business, it sounds natural, and they do the selling for you. This builds trust for your brand with prospects and customers. Written testimonials are good for your business, but they're easy to fake and lack the credibility of a testimonial video. Video testimonials are more credible because someone's willing to stand publicly behind the experience they've had with your brand. In this video, we're talking about how to create an awesome testimonial video that is a valuable part of your sales process, and that's coming up next. Proper planning will not only make the videos easier for everyone, but it will make the final video better. Showing the person that you have a plan will make them more likely to say yes in participating. I recommend letting a person know early in the process that you're going to ask them for feedback at the end of the project and that you'd like to create a testimonial video about it. Make this process easy for them. You can't hire a camera person and hit the record button and have your customer start talking and expect the video to be something people want to watch. To create a testimonial video that's a valuable part of your sales process, you need to focus on the right story. Many businesses are confused about how to use story, but story is simply a system for communication. The story you need to tell is from the customer's perspective. It needs to be about how the customer was changed for the better by your product or service. This means that your customer needs to be the hero of the story, not your company. The company is the mentor or the guide who helped them solve their problem. Here are some questions you can ask to help you create your testimonial video outline. First is, what problem were they having before your product or service? How did they overcome that problem? Why did they choose you to fix it? How did your company help solve their problem? What would they say to someone who's thinking about purchasing this product or service? Make sure you build intrigue. Don't start your video by having your testimonial person introduce him or herself. Your video needs to start with a statement from your customer that draws the viewer in. You only have a few seconds to capture the viewer's attention to keep them watching. Send the questions to your customer in advance. They shouldn't write out their answers, but it's always good to write out a few bullet points so you can help them shape their story. Something else you can do to make your video look more professional is have the person being interviewed repeat the question they've been asked in their answer. This makes the video look more professional. Make sure you show and don't tell. Video is a visual medium, so don't miss an opportunity to show what the customer's talking about. We call this BRoll. Before you start to record, you need to decide if the person will be giving a testimonial by talking to the camera like I am now, or by talking to someone slightly off camera in an interview style. Unless they're a professional actor or speaker, I recommend interviewing them. This will help them stay at ease. Most people can answer a few questions, but remembering or reading a script off a teleprompter is much harder. You don't need to write the script out, but you do need an outline. And it's good to interview the person in advance to help you know if their story will make a good testimonial. You'll then use this pre-interview to map out the additional questions and make sure they hit all the bullet points in your outline. This will also help you make a plan for what footage you'll need in your video. Production quality for a testimonial video isn't as important as other videos, but the video needs to be watchable. So if you're going to use your cell phone for this, put the camera on a tripod, get a microphone, and plug it into the camera. I made another video about how you can record a video with your smartphone and the accessories that you need, and I'll put that in the card above. That being said, a well-produced testimonial video will have a 5 to 10 year shelf life. So if you can afford it, spend the money it takes to do it right. Make sure the person is in a space that helps reinforce their story. Please don't put them against a blank white wall. Ideally, to make this video more interesting, you'll want to have 2 cameras to change up the image every once in a while, like I'm doing in this video. Make sure that you're using your testimonial videos in as many ways as possible. It's important to know where this fits into your sales funnel. If you like this video and you want to learn more, you can watch my free on-demand video training on creating and launching videos that generate leads and clients. Click the box on your screen to watch it now. In this training, I'll show you how your business can attract new leads and clients by making videos that are a part of your sales process. This will show you all the different types of videos and give you a system to increase sales with video.